What's going on, everyone? Today is February the 6th, 2022. Bitcoin is $50,000 next in line for this price to go. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do the price predictions. You guys can see it on my chart right now. There are price predictions that I do the simplistic way. I don't want to make this all confusing and complicated. That's enough of that already being strewn on YouTube. So I want it to be a place for you all to see that you can actually predict prices the easy way. So if you guys appreciate the video, hit the like button, so you can also subscribe here to the channel, and as well follow me on all my other social media platforms so you do not miss out on my content. So real quick, let me talk about my previous price prediction that I did for Bitcoin, which was on the 6th of January. Here it is, February the 6th. So it's been about a month, and I was playing the weakest into the market in Bitcoin, and that is precisely what the market has done. Now, I had the price going down towards like $32,000, and you guys can see right here on this particular day. Let me zoom in. You guys can see that the market in Bitcoin on the 24th of January came all the way down to $32,950. So I was pretty close, about $950 away from hitting that ultimate TP price, but we were in position to at least anticipate what direction Bitcoin was going to go. So I want to say congratulations to everyone who was able to get in that realm. That's about 23.12%. If you were to get out the market right now, you're still in profitability, but not much. It's about 3%. But hey, it's profitability. And this is what we do on this channel. So now let me go ahead and get rid of this because we want to see, can this particular price in Bitcoin hit $50,000? Let's go ahead and look at this real quick, because from where price is currently, the market currently has to go up another 20.25%. Is that doable in the market in Bitcoin? I mean, look at this. As I zoom out, we was continually following the market trend in Bitcoin, and we broke it. Yeah. So we still need to be careful, because when we break trend, we need to follow that. We need to believe it, that it broke for a reason. And the market in Bitcoin has broken this very good substantive upward trend. It is now broken. So can we see the price hit 50,000? It's going to take a lot of work and energy on behalf of the buyers to ensure that we are able to see price break back up above this ascending line. Yeah, it's going to require a whole lot of energy, i.e. a whole lot of volume, to push this price above that ascending line. So keep that in mind as I do this video. All right. So now let me go ahead and get rid of this. And I want to show you all the weekly time frame to show you what we look like, to see whether or not the buyers are still controlling this particular price in Bitcoin. And we are, right? This current weekly price bar in the market in Bitcoin looks pretty good, but there's a caveat. I want you all to think we got 7 hours and 57 minutes left before this current weekly bar ends. So it's not going to look the same as it's looking right now as I record this video, but it looks pretty good right now. So now let's go ahead and look at this on a 5-day time frame. So this is Bitcoin here on the 5-day, and take a look. The last completed 5-day price bar, it still looks decent. I mean, it looks like we still have a little more gas in the tank to let this price go up. But is it going to be enough for us to hit $50,000? That's the question. I like what's going on the 5-day time frame as well in the market in Bitcoin. Okay, let's take a look at the 3-day then. Look at the last completed 3-day price bar. Look at that. The market is trying to go up. No doubt about it. The last weekly price bar, the last 5-day price bar, and the last 3-day price bar, we are all signaling that the market wants to go up in Bitcoin. I think the question that we need to answer now is, okay, if the price is looking like it wants to go up, how high? How high you think it's going to go? So you guys can see that $44,000 is going to be an issue. It's going to be a problem for the market to try to break above. That is the first test that this market is going to have to make. And like I said, it takes us back up here towards this trend. So I'm not going to be a massive bull into the market in Bitcoin right now, but we can still expect the price to go up, and I am. But my first issue is going to be right there around $44,000. The market will have to break that before we get a little bit more confident that this price is going to go massively higher. Yes. Let's look at Bitcoin on the monthly time frame. So this is Bitcoin on last month's trading, which is what I term a probable precursor of strength, meaning as we go throughout the month of February, this current monthly price bar, we will have to see the price close higher than the previous January price close. If we do, then we understand that there's strength entering the space for Bitcoin. Yes. So we still got a couple of days left before February's monthly price bar ends. But so far, looks pretty good, right? But we still have a whole lot of days in the month of February that Bitcoin is going to trade. So now, take a look at that. Seemingly, it looks as if the market is trying to hold support right here in Bitcoin. Like, this is where the market is trying to hold support. Okay. Right there around $31,000. Now, let me break this down to you all on an hourly time frame, because I want to see if that $44,000 is doable. And take a look at this. This is the 3-hour chart. And you're trying to tell me that you cannot tell what the market is trying to do. I mean, all of these 3-day price bars, look at that. And the price is still able to hold above $41,250. Something is going on up here, and you guys got to question yourself, what is going on? This last 3-hour price bar right here is indicative of someone trying to push down the price right now in Bitcoin. Yes, right now. If we in the next 1 hour and 54 minutes see the price close higher, then this is definitely someone here in this space in Bitcoin on this Bitstamp exchange is buying the market up in Bitcoin right there, because they're looking for the price to go up. This market is not falling, even amidst all of this weakness that is currently coming through. Now, what I want to do is I want to see how weak that market really is on this 3-hour price bar. So we're going to have to break this down to an hourly time frame. So let's see what's going on hourly. This is Bitcoin on an hourly time frame. You guys can still tell that, yes, this market was weak on this 1-hour price bar, but look what happened the next one. The market still found some buying coming in. So obviously, this market in Bitcoin is trying to keep the price from falling. I wonder why. Because they want to try to push this price higher. All right. Let's look at this on a 45-minute chart. You guys can see it right here too. So this market here in Bitcoin is definitely trying to go up. Somebody's trying to keep this price from falling. So with that being seen, what we're going to do is we're going to play the strength into the market in Bitcoin. Now, I told you that I'm not going to be massively bullish, right? I know the thumbnail has $50,000. I know the title reads $50,000, but with this weakness coming into the market right here, I'm just going to look forward to try to hit that $44,000 price level first. Yeah, I'm not one of the ones that tells you all these astronomical numbers and figures and how the price is going to move. No, that's not what I do. I'm more realistic in how high I see the price going. So let's see what we got. For us to see the market go to $44,000, it's on about 6%. Yeah, right there around 6%. Now, given that's the case, you need to be prepared to eat off that, right? Because that's the next catch point that's going to keep the market in Bitcoin from going up. That is where the first batch of selling is going to occur from my perspective. The second area is up there around 46, maybe fall a little bit lower than 46. Okay, that's about 6%. So we got 44% first. Okay, 44,000. I'm going 44%. $44,000 first, which is around 6.19%. The second area is right there around 46,000, which gives us around 9.83. And that's about it. I'm not going to go in and go ham and say that the price in Bitcoin is going to hit $100,000, because so many people on YouTube last year, 2021, was telling you all that Bitcoin was going to hit $100,000. You guys can see where the price is today. So I'm not going to be that type of individual that's going to lead you and give you all of this false hope. I'm going to show you what I'm expecting. And this is what I'm looking at right now in the market for Bitcoin. 2 price targets, 44,000. And then the next level is going to be 46. Now, right now, we are seeing some weakness into the market in Bitcoin. Yes, this current daily price bar is showing us some weakness. So that is why we're going to continue to view the market going up in Bitcoin so long as price stays above like $38,000, no lower than $38,000. If the market in Bitcoin breaks $38,000, then we need to come back in and talk. But as of this particular moment, this is what I'm looking at. This is my price prediction, my price targets. Now, that's why I leave the comment section open so you all can drop your price prediction, your price targets in the comment section below. Yeah, make it public. Let's see what everyone thinks about where Bitcoin is going to go as we go throughout the month of February. So I'm looking forward to reading your comments. Definitely let me know. If you guys haven't done it yet, hit the like button, consider subscribe to the channel, because this is what I do. It's simple. Now it's your turn. Hit me up. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.